Hi guys, I am Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how you can get paid by playing simple games, by installing games and playing simple games. So you have to first download one application. Come on and download that application. That name is Gammy. Prizes, play free games, win real cash. That's 100% genuine and free site, free app to play games and earn money. That's 100% secure site, secure application. So we have to come to our application and first register. For registering, please click on one of these options So after we click one of these options, and this window will pop up. This window you can complete what account do you want, when account do you want, which account do you want to sign in to Gammy. So that's the sign in method. So after signing in, this window will pop up and your earnings will show here. Come on, I have $0.10 in my account and 600 tickets in my account. So we have different methods in there to earn money. First one is spin, and I will spin now and click on spin now and click on spinning, and 20 tickets have been added to my account. You can watch a video and earn 2 more spins, so I don't want. You can earn money in this by inviting friends and by playing games. So you can finish that all missions and you will get an extra bonus of 100 tickets, and you will take 100 tickets in extra and take 50 tickets from this game, 50 tickets from this game, and 40 tickets from this game. So that's the real way from earning from games. That's the real way to earn from games. So I have played one game and I have earned 50 tickets. So claim, and that's claiming and claimed. That's claimed. So that's the way of earning from games. So for cash out you should reach $10 for cash out and PayPal. So guys, all this for that video. Please like the video, share the video, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.